In an age where snowstorms were blessings and winter's quiet ruled, a peculiar event unfolded in 1716 New England, a storm of purple snow. Villagers whispered about mythical creatures and celestial messages. Curiosity conquered fear as they gathered the strange snow to witness its mystery up close. Laughter echoed as their imaginations intertwined with the surreal phenomenon. Legends emerged, binding the villagers in a tale retold through generations. Explore mysteries, witness legends, experience the impossible, embrace history's whisper.